Okay, you can click on a 3D view and take a look at the issues that we're having here. We are going to trim this this house right here. We're also going to align these 4 different walls, and then we are going to lower the walls on this little garage here and put the roof on the appropriate level. So all of this is going to be done using the project browser and the properties. Mine was not banked right now, but I'm going to move mine over just so that it looks similar to yours. The first thing that we're going to do is we do all of our drawing on TOFBOE, which is O2. So I'm going to double click my project browser. And the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to use the trim command. So if I click on a wall, the trim command tells us what do we want to keep. I'm going to keep this in this. And then as I'm stepping in here, I'm going to click on these walls and realize that they were drawn backwards. Click on the blue arrow, and we're going to flip the walls. We can also right click on something, hit create similar, and now that has flipped all of the walls. Okay, or change the wall's orientation, and then these windows were also placed in the wrong section. Okay, so we've changed the orientation, we've fixed the windows. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to align these walls. We're going to align with this top wall here, align to here. What do you want to align? I want this to move. I want to align to here. I can stay in the command and we can align that. Or we could say I want to align to here and move this. Now all those walls are centered. Align, or on that outside edge, align to here, this. Okay, we can also have the lines touch each other. I want to align to here, this. I want to align to here, move that. I want to align to here, move that. If I go to a 3D view, you'll see that you've taken those 3 walls, they've all been aligned together. 4 different walls, and they're aligned together. Always drawing in TOFBOE O2. Doesn't seem to really want to work there. Okay. Actually, I'll go back to a 3D view. Click here for a 3D view. And these walls, we're going to select them all by hitting the Tab key. And we want the walls to go from O2 up to ceiling 1. And now we've brought those walls down. We're going to stay in the properties bar. We're going to click on the roof, and we're going to tell the roof to go to ceiling 1. And when you're done with that, I'm going to take a screenshot of this. Okay, looks like this wall never got it's orientated. You're going to take a screenshot of this and you're going to turn this in. There we go. I'll take one view of that and you're all set. Watch this video as many times as needed.